We've no intention of hijacking it. I mean, the 1916 celebration and commemorations belong to not any one political party. They belong to the citizens of Dublin, to the people of Ireland, and they're the ones that I would be hoping that I will be celebrating with. I know we will have to have state ceremonies, that's part and parcel, and that's a mark of respect by the state, honouring what those men and women did in 1916. But the biggest thing that I want to see in 1916 is people initiatives, like citizens taking control of it, having fitting and respectful events in memory of those that have fought and died. But I mean, in the same type maybe as the 4th of July celebrations. Like, why can't we have community events? Why can't we have community picnics? Why can't we have street parties? All to commemorate it, but with respect and in a dignified manner.
So, I mean, why do you think people are so concerned about this? Or certainly other political parties seem to be making a big point of thinking that Sinn Féin, having pushed so hard to hold the mayoralty in 2016, will now hijack it.
Well, we won't. Well, I mean, it's politics. I mean, this is the first time we've been mayor of this city. It's a long time coming. We got the biggest mandate in Dublin City, is what our elected reps got. I topped the poll in my constituency. The people in my constituency are absolutely over the moon that I'm going to be mayor for the 2016 celebrations. Other parties, I think it's political. Anybody but us. But I'm hoping to prove them wrong by being completely inclusive of how we celebrate it.